Hi, parents. Do you dream of your children growing up with a robust understanding of money management? Do you want to transcend traditional concepts of wealth and instill a multi-dimensional wealth mindset in them early on? Welcome back to our channel. In this empowering video, we'll journey together into the fascinating realm of finances from a child's perspective. We'll explore interactive, fun ways to educate your kids about earning, spending wisely, saving diligently, and even smart investing. So, no matter the age of your children, join us in this enlightening adventure. Let's build a financially secure future for our kids while making the whole learning process fun. Welcome to the exciting journey of turning sense into sense. By the end of this short video, you will know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it to prepare your children to succeed in the world of finance as they grow up. Teaching kids about money is not just about coins and bills. It's about values, decision-making, and instilling a sense of responsibility. As Warren Buffett once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." By educating children on finance, we're planting the seeds for a financially secure future. They'll reap the benefits throughout their lives, enjoying the shade of good financial habits we help them establish early on. Teaching children about earning money is crucial for several reasons. When kids earn their own money, whether it's through chores, a part-time job, or a small entrepreneurial venture, they begin to understand the concept of value. They see firsthand how effort can translate into financial reward. Learning to earn money helps children develop a strong work ethic and appreciate its worth. They understand that money doesn't just appear. It comes from hard work, diligence, and persistence. Understanding how to earn money is a critical step toward financial independence. As children grow older, this knowledge will empower them to support themselves and make informed financial decisions. The process of earning money also helps children develop important life skills like problem solving, goal setting, and negotiation. Children who never learn how to earn and manage money may face several challenges as they grow into adulthood. These challenges can impact their financial stability, their understanding of value, and their overall attitudes toward money and work. Here are a few ways that children may be adversely affected. Without learning how to earn and manage money, children can grow up without understanding basic financial concepts such as saving, investing, budgeting, and debt. This lack of financial literacy will lead to poor financial decisions in adulthood, potentially resulting in excessive debt, inadequate savings, or financial instability. When children are always given money without having to work for it, they develop a sense of entitlement. This can lead to a rotten attitude and unrealistic expectations about what they deserve to have without understanding the work, effort, and financial planning that goes into obtaining and maintaining possessions. This really can have a crippling effect on children. As children grow into adults, they'll need to navigate an increasingly complex financial landscape. If they've never learned to earn or manage money, they may be ill-prepared for important aspects of adulthood like negotiating salaries, managing bills, saving for retirement, using credit, or buying a home. Children who aren't taught to earn their own money tend to not develop a strong work ethic. Understanding that effort leads to rewards, financial and otherwise, is a crucial life lesson. Without this understanding, they will struggle with motivation, discipline, and persistence in both their professional and personal lives. Teaching children how to budget and set financial goals isn't hard. Here's a simple and interactive way you can do it. Start by providing ways for them to earn money. This could be through doing chores, having a small part-time job, or perhaps setting up a small business like a lemonade stand. This gives them a sense of ownership over their money. Make sure they understand the concept of income, money coming in, and expenses, money going out. Explain that income should be greater than expenses to save money. Help them identify something they want to save for. It could be a toy, a video game, or even a charitable donation. Make sure the goal is realistic and achievable in a reasonable time frame so they can see the result of their efforts. With their goal in mind, help them outline a simple budget. Break it down into 3 main categories: spend, save, and give. This way, they learn not just to save and spend wisely, but also the value of giving to help others. Encourage them to keep track of their money. They could use a notebook, A jar system with separate jars for each category, or even a budgeting app designed for kids, like the Green Light app. Sit down with them at least monthly to review their budget and progress toward their goals. If they're falling short, discuss what changes they could make. If they've achieved their goal, celebrate with them and encourage them to set a new one. Remember, the goal isn't just to teach them how to budget and set financial goals. It's to instill a sense of financial responsibility, understanding the value of money, and making informed decisions. And remember to keep it fun. Kids learn best when they're engaged and enjoying the process. Remember the Stanford marshmallow test? It was a famous study conducted by psychologist Walter Mischel in the late 1960s and early 1970s. This experiment was designed to understand the concept of delayed gratification, or the ability to resist an immediate reward in favor of a larger reward later. Here's how the experiment went. A group of children were individually brought into a room where a marshmallow was placed on a table. The researcher told each child that they had a choice. They could eat the marshmallow right away, or if they could wait until the researcher returned, about 15 minutes later, they would be given 2 marshmallows. Some children immediately ate the marshmallow as soon as the researcher left the room, while others used various strategies to distract themselves and resist the temptation. What's especially fascinating about this study is the follow-up research. Mischel found that the children who were able to wait for the second marshmallow generally fared much better in life, as measured by things like academic achievement, health, and other life outcomes. The marshmallow test illustrates the power of delayed gratification and self-control. It underscores that the ability to wait and even work for bigger rewards can lead to better outcomes in life. A valuable lesson in the context of teaching children about saving and financial responsibility. An entrepreneurial mindset also needs to be cultivated in kids through activities that foster creativity, resilience, problem solving, and independence. Here's a simple way you can instill this mindset. First, encourage your child to come up with a project or small business idea. It could be something like a lemonade stand, a dog walking service, or selling handmade crafts. The key is to ensure the idea is something they are passionate about and one they can succeed in. Help your child outline a simple business plan. Discuss the resources they'll need, how they'll attract customers, and what price they'll charge. This helps them understand the concept of costs, revenues, and profits. Let your child take the lead in running the project, but provide guidance and support where needed. They'll learn valuable lessons about responsibility, hard work, and problem solving. After they've run their project for a while, sit down with them to review how things went. Celebrate their successes and discuss any challenges they faced and how they can improve. It's also important for kids to understand that failure is a part of the entrepreneurial journey. If a project doesn't work out as planned, encourage them to learn from the experience and try again. By guiding your kids through their own entrepreneurial ventures, you can help them develop an entrepreneurial mindset. They'll learn about the value of hard work, the rewards of success, and the lessons that come from failure. They'll also gain a practical understanding of business and financial concepts, which will serve them well in the future. Teaching your children about money encompasses several key concepts. These basic concepts provide a strong foundation for their future financial well-being. First of all, kids need to understand that money is not just a piece of paper or a digital number. It has real value and can be exchanged for goods and services. Second, children should learn that money is earned through work. This can be introduced via chores or small jobs like babysitting or lawn mowing. Next, the concept of setting aside a portion of money for future use is crucial. This can be taught by encouraging kids to save for short-term goals, like a toy, and gradually introducing long-term goals. Kids also need to understand that once money is spent, it's gone. They should learn to make thoughtful decisions about spending, comparing prices and understanding needs versus wants. Learning to plan their spending and saving by creating a simple budget can help kids understand how to manage their money. Remember the marshmallow study. It really can be beneficial to wait and save up for something rather than spending all their money right away. Next, it's important to instill the value of helping others. Children can learn to set aside a portion of their money for charitable causes. And finally, as they get older, kids can begin to learn about basic investing principles such as the concept of earning interest or the basics of stocks and bonds. Help them to actually invest in something successfully. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Start with simple concepts and build on them as your child matures. Make the learning process fun and interactive to keep your child engaged and interested. Sit down today and plan out how you can start teaching your kids about money from the things that we've discussed today. I promise you that it will make a huge difference to your children in the long run. Thanks again for joining us in this video today. I invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section about how you are teaching your kids how to use money as a blessing in their lives and in the lives of those around them. We'll see you in the next video.